Good evening. This is December 25th, 2022, and the time is 6:52 p.m. I am on I-35 southbound. I just left Minneapolis, Minnesota, and heading to Colorado Springs. I'm about 60 miles into my trip to Colorado Springs, and it is snowing like crazy. Weather is definitely crappy, and it's just awful. This is going to make my trip home a lot longer, but it is what it is. Can't wait to get home for the remainder of the holidays. Hope this truck here doesn't slide right in front of me this close to me, because then he's just going to blast me with a whole bunch of blowing snow, and that'll really suck. So let's just hope and pray he stays ahead of me and gets way ahead of me before he decides to get back over into my lane. Otherwise, I'm going to get whitewashed. That will suck. He's going to whitewash me. He ain't even moving fast enough. Yep, there we go. Whitewash. Can't really see much. That kind of sucked. But anyway, this is what I'm dealing with on my way home. It decided to snow at the last minute, and hopefully it'll be over soon. But if not, that's going to make for a long 935 miles back to Colorado Springs. Well, have a good evening and Merry Christmas.